Good morning, dear student. Today you have to write down objectives in your copy because on the coming Saturday there will be a test, so that this objective you should write properly in your copy and learn it. And remaining explanation part we will start from Monday onwards. Okay, today and tomorrow I will provide you the question answers and objective. First, you should make complete your copy. Then again, which part is remain, that we will start from Monday. Okay. First question is there. Tick the correct answer. What refers to a goal or a principle in its most excellent or perfect form? Options are given: arbitrary, ideal. The answer is here ideal. Means every country want the ideal form of the any, like for the any democratic country also from the ideal form of the government. Then what kind of the role citizen of the India play in electing representative, direct or indirect? You know, dear children, in the Indian government there is the democratic form of the government, and in that the peoples play the direct electing part. Means direct election they should done. Now third, what refers to independent people in the democratic form of the government? Sovereign or ideal? Here answer is the sovereign. Then if a 13 years old child is working in the factory, what is it called? The answer is child labor. Freedom to education, it is impossible here. So here the child labor who is working under below 13 years. Secularism means the state promotes one religion or no religion. Secularism means no religion. Question number 2, filling the blanks. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Second, tyranny refers to the cruel and unjust use of the power or authority. Those leaders are use their power unfairly or unjust, that we call the tyranny. Then third, ideal refers to a goal or a principle in its more excellent or perfect form. Buddhists in India are counted as minority. Means Buddhism is counted as a minority. Then question number 3, solve true or false. Nepal adopted an interim constitution in 2007. It is the true. The Constitution of India consists of the fundamental rights. True. The Constitution of India came in force on 15 August 1947. That is false. You know the Constitution when it is applicable, 26 January 1950. The third significant purpose of the Constitution is to serve us from ourselves. That is true. Next. Question number 4, solve following SAQ, short answer question. Define a constitution. What is meaning of the constitution? Constitution is a written document that contains the basic rules and regulations for the administrating a nation. Second, when was our constitution enact? Enact means in force. कब अपना constitution enact हुआ? Force में आया. तो answer is Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and finally enacted on 26 January 1950. Question number 3. Explain the meaning of polity. Organized political structure of a society is referred to as the polity. 4 number. Name the key features of our constitution. Which are the key features of our constitution? The key features of our constitutions are federalism, parliamentary form of the government, separation of power, Fourth one, fundamental rights, and fifth one, secularism. These are the key features of the constitution. Thank you. Write down properly and send me the images. Okay. I am sending that page in the group.